100 of B readers also read publication A. ये मैंने ये इनपुट दे दिया आपको. Then on the side I have this information जो बीटा बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन था मैंने निकाला है, which says ये दोनों की AIR थे. ठीक है, पब्लिकेशन A और B. ठीक है, one insertion when I do, my cumulative reach is at this point it is 500, इसके लिए 300 है. When I take two, maybe this goes up to say 550 and this goes up to say 325. When I take three insertions, this goes up to reach goes up to 600. Here the reach goes up to say 350. When I take four, maybe the reach is 625 or 630 कर देता हूँ उसको. Let me for ease sake, for calculation it will be easier if I take round figures, 625, and maybe this is 360, and likewise it will keep going. It will reach their cumulative reach numbers. ये मेरे पास में build up है, for example. Okay. Now somebody says I take a media plan of publication A and I release say 3 ads या 4 ले लो. I release 4 ads here. So when you release 4 ads, what will happen? When you release the first ad, you release 1 ad. First ad में क्या होगा? What is the gross impressions that we are releasing in the market? On an average, there are 500 people who will get 500 gross impressions हो गया campaign का मेरा अब तक. How many people am I reaching? मान लो यूनिवर्स ऑफ द सिटी मैंने बताया नहीं, मान लो दिस इज 1000 लोग हैं यहाँ पे. My reach in thousands or whatever the reach in actual numbers is 500. I am reaching 500 people. Reach percentage will be 50%. मेरा average OTS क्या होगा यहाँ पर? The ad has been seen 500 times by 500 people. So average OTS is 1. This is the status when I release the first ad. Now what happens when I release the second ad? When I release my second ad of the campaign, every ad on its own will generate 500 opportunities to see because that's my AIR. Okay. What is my cumulative reach here? My cumulative reach is now 550. Okay. अब मेरी reach कितनी हो जाएगी? 550 by 1000 is my reach is now 55%. मेरे gross impression अब तक कितने हुए हैं? How do I calculate my average OTS? Now the ad has been seen by 550 people and it has been seen 1000 times. 1000 by 550 is my average OTS. It will be 1 point something. Okay. What happens when you do a third ad? You release another 500 impressions. For each ad that you are releasing in the market, you are creating that many opportunities to see. So you created another 500 opportunities to see. How many people have seen it? 600. So reach is now 60%. Okay. And your average OTS is now 1500 by 600. 2.5 or whatever. तो ये average OTS एक build up हो गई है. ये कितना? Somebody calculated this? Calculator है किसके पास में? Just give me a number for this. 1.9. ये हो गया 1.9. और ये कितना हो गया? ये कितना है? कितना होगा? Just do 1000 divided by 550. कैलकुलेटर नहीं है? 1.8. 1.8 लिख देते हैं. And this one 1500 by 600 2.5. अगर कोई GRP निकालता है तो क्या हो जाएगा? Reach into OTS is GRP. Here GRP is 50. 55 into 1.8 is how much? This multiplied by this. Reach into average OTS, how much? 99. Huh? 99 GRPs. And what is this much? 62, 120, 150? 150 GRPs. So you've got this plan. Now for example, if I also give you one input that each ad in publication A costs 100 rupees. So you have a plan cost. ये हो गया 100 रुपये का कॉस्ट हो गया इस प्लान का. If you release 2 ads in this publication, your plan is worth 200 rupees. ये 300 रुपये का प्लान हुआ. Somebody can do a cost per GRP. You will calculate cost efficiency of the plan. So this is one level of plan that somebody could do. Now in this matrix, let me introduce what if the other guy says, for example, चौथा ad लेगा तो there will be something else. You will reach 625 people and this same progression will go on. Now if somebody is evaluating a plan saying कि यार चारों ad इसमें मैं क्यों लूँ? What if I take 2 here and 2 here, or 1 here and 1 here? What is it that will happen then? I'll take publication A में एक ad लेता हूँ पहले. My OTS that I am releasing in 1000 is 500. Let me also add a column called gross OTS now, which is just nothing but just a summation of this 500. Reach is 500 right now. Reach percentage is 50%. Average OTS is 1. GRP is 50, and whatever the cost is. So you can just put something. Okay. Now I take publication B. What will be the OTS that publication B gives me? 300. What is my gross OTS so far? 500 plus 300, 800. So I have released 800 opportunities to see in the market. Now what happens? What will be my reach? Reach I am defining as one person exposed to one vehicle once. Okay. So now obviously I know that all these 300 people are not adding to my reach. Some have also got duplicated. How many have got duplicated? 100 have already got duplicated. 100 of them also read. So how many new people are we adding to the plan? Another 200. So my reach is now 500 of this plus 200. So now my reach is, I have reached 700 people. Okay. And in terms of percentage, it is 70%. Average OTS कितना हो जाएगा? 800 divided by 700 will be some 1 point something. 1.3 or something. GRP will be 70 into 1.3. You can calculate that. ठीक है. So now if this duplication between this and this, instead of 100, if it was just 20, it would have added more. If the duplication between publication B and A was 200, for example, instead of this 100, it would have added only 100 more readers. So when the duplication is high, what is happening? Your reach is lesser, your frequency will be higher. When this duplication is lower, your reach will be higher, average OTS build up will be smaller. You get this concept? So this is one way. What if you release another third ad in A? तीसरा ad A में जाता हो फिर क्या करोगे? You will release 500 insertions, 500 gross impressions here. Gross अब तक कितना हो गया? 1300. 800 impression यहाँ पे और 500 और, तो 1300 impressions what we release in the market. Now what will be campaign reach? So it will be 500 people that you've reached here, plus the additional 200 people that you've reached here. ठीक है. अब इसमें इतने, how many new people are we adding now?
No.
If you look at between first ad of A and second ad of A, we are adding 50 new readers. A certain percentage of those readers are also have got exposed to B. So we remove that duplication and then add the number here. Out of these new 50 readers, 20% have already got an exposure. 80% is unduplicated. So 80% of 50 is how much? 40. So 40 new readers are going to come. So 700 plus 40, 740 people have now been reached by my campaign. My reach percentage is 74%, and my average OTS would be 1300 divided by 740. So what happens is, when a computer is planning this campaign, it is saying what is the new readers that are being added and what is the unduplicated part. So at every stage, it will just add the unduplicated part. So when the duplication is high between publications, it will hardly add anything here. We are always talking about unduplicate numbers. It will reach less, and you will get the same guys get more frequency. So what happens is, so for example,
Percentage is fixed.
The
duplication
percentage is fixed. It's a fixed percentage. Okay, and likewise it will go again plan B. If you take what is the unduplicated part of that, etc. So it will keep getting added on numbers of this kind. What happens is, then you're saying how much does this plan deliver at this level versus buying only A versus buying only B. उसकी क्या cost है, उसकी क्या CPRPs है. So those are the decisions that people tend to keep making. And this is a very rough example of it, but the software, the IRS software works on the same principle. Just try doing it manually. Get actual duplication figures separately on the outside, take 2 publications, make 4 different plans. You will actually get these numbers. This is how the software will work in terms of arriving from average to cumulative. This is how cumulative reach builds up, and this is how average rotation builds up. So it will be important at times to understand from the advertiser, and some of them are of course not so, in the local market they might not be as evolved from a planning point of view, but business offices of course there are advertisers there. It will be important for you to find out कि तुमको क्या जरूरत है. Do you need more frequency or do you need more reach?